can't believe he gets that close to you.
Can't even. Are you sure?
Yeah. Mom, why is baby John letting us all get near him?
He wants that chicken again.
Oh, he loves you. I give him a little bit.
Oh, I
I can
bet.
get the fried part though. Should I give him a few?
Yeah, they give me a
Really like that? It's
Yeah.
probably too spicy.
Oh, yeah.
So, give it, John. Don't care, buddy.
I want him just looking at him from a distance.
Don't get him. You do bad, yeah. Well, how is Baby John looking? Old?
Looks good. He doesn't look as well. Are you sure that's... Mom, go look and see if that's him. He's never done it that close.
Oh, it's so big.
Yeah.
Probably thought she was tough.
And,
Yeah, they go there. She goes. What's that?
is that him?
Don't let the doggy to the kitty, because the kitty's eating. Sure, second teacher.
Hey! Hey, Betty! He ran away.
Baby John.
She didn't get scared when we saw the doll. When she saw the... Okay.
There he is. Turn around. Is that Baby John?
That's
Molly.
Sure, Mom.
No, so sweet. Betty, you love the trash.